Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get your GitHub profile URL. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the home page. So this is the main page where in the top right corner you're going to have the login button. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is use the sign up button. Using the sign up button is going to enable you to create an account, after which we can log in, and after logging in, now we can go ahead and access our repositories right here. We have our home page right here with all the home info that we can access, and now we can get started. So guys, how can we go ahead and take a look at our profile URL? It's very easy. We just need 2 clicks. Basically, what we're looking for in the main page right here is right here in the upper right corner. Here is our profile icon. You want to click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this new drop down menu with all the options you can access, and one of the options is going to be called your profile. This is what you want to open up. By opening up your profile guys, this is now going to go ahead and open up your profile where you can take a look at your repositories, projects, and so on. But basically guys, this URL right here at the top of the page, github.com/your username, is going to be your profile URL that you can send to other people that you want to link to your GitHub. And it's easy as that. That's how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.